Hey people, so today I made some gluten-free nachos for myself and my grandson. I'm starting off with some adobo seasoning, adding to 1 pound of ground beef. I'm going to end up draining that into a bowl before adding the seasoning to that. And the reason why this is gluten-free is because my grandson has a wheat allergy or a gluten allergy along with a few other allergies. And I normally use a particular taco seasoning, and when I looked at the back of it, it actually showed that it had wheat within, it was like wheat flour that was within the package. So again, anytime I'm cooking for him, I'm always looking at the ingredients. So this is the seasoning I normally use for when I'm making tacos for my husband and myself. But when I looked on the back, it said that it contains wheat, and it was in Spanish as well as English. So I was like, let me look for a recipe online. And I did find one that did not include wheat. And here are the ingredients here. So if you are in the same situation, this is a way that you can make it homemade without, especially like last minute where you don't have time to go out to the store and find it. You can make this mixture before adding. So again, this is 1 pound of ground beef. So I used 1.5 tablespoons along with a half cup of water when I added it. But I would say that you should measure it based upon your own taste buds, because maybe you need more of this or that. So definitely very easy to make. It didn't take no time at all, maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes top, and that's with everything. And it's including me searching for a recipe. So this is my little munchkins nachos, very plain, and these are mine. I added all the things to it.